Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple Windows Forms application in .NET Core. If you want to enable the designer in Visual Studio, you can select the Use the Preview Windows Forms Designer for .NET Core Applications option in the Preview features. And don't forget to restart Visual Studio after you've set up the configuration. After you restart Visual Studio, you can create a Windows Forms application project on .NET Core. If you get the same error as me, you can run the .NET restore command to fix the problem. Next, rebuild your project, then you can select the target framework which you want to build the project. Next, open your Form Designer, and then drag the label, text box and button controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your Form Designer. You can design a simple UI that allows you to enter text, then display the entered text in the message box when clicking the button. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.